It's Sunday today. No alarm, no boss, no school.
Only one question in your mind. Can I sleep 10 more minutes?
And 10 minutes becomes 1 hour.
But wait, Sunday is not only for sleeping.
Sunday is also for learning English without stress.
Yes, no pressure, no fear.
Just relax, smile, and speak English with us.
Today you will learn how to talk about your Sunday in simple English.
Easy sentences, daily life English.
Perfect for beginners and A1 learners.
Welcome to Hashmi English Tutor.
Let's make your Sunday fun plus useful.
Sunday morning routine. On Sunday, I wake up late.
Repeat after me. I wake up late on Sunday.
I feel fresh and relaxed.
I feel fresh and relaxed.
I don't hurry.
I don't hurry.
I check my phone after waking up.
I check my phone after waking up.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Morning habits. Extra practice. On Sunday morning, I drink tea or coffee.
I drink tea or coffee.
I sit quietly for some time.
I sit quietly for some time.
I enjoy the peaceful morning.
I enjoy the peaceful morning.
Breakfast time. Family English. On Sunday, breakfast is special.
Breakfast is special on Sunday.
I eat breakfast with my family.
I eat breakfast with my family.
We talk, laugh, and enjoy.
We talk, laugh, and enjoy.
Sunday food tastes better.
Sunday food tastes better.
Afternoon routine. In the afternoon, I rest at home.
I rest at home in the afternoon.
Sometimes I watch movies.
Sometimes I watch movies.
Sometimes I scroll on my phone too much.
Sometimes I scroll on my phone too much.
Yes, too much.
But Sunday is also a good day to learn.
Sunday equals English practice day. On Sunday, I revise my English.
I revise my English on Sunday.
I learn new English words.
I learn new English words.
I practice speaking English aloud.
I practice speaking English aloud.
I watch English videos.
I watch English videos.
I repeat sentences again and again.
I repeat sentences again and again.
Evening routine. In the evening, I go for a walk.
In the evening, I go for a walk.
I feel fresh and active.
I feel fresh and active.
Sometimes I meet my friends.
Sometimes I meet my friends.
We talk and relax together.
We talk and relax together.
Night routine. At night, I eat dinner.
At night, I eat dinner.
I spend time with my family.
I spend time with my family.
Before sleeping, I plan my week.
Before sleeping, I plan my week.
I think about my goals.
I think about my goals.
I go to bed early on Sunday.
I go to bed early on Sunday.
Speaking practice. Very important. Now, let's make a short Sunday introduction. Repeat after me slowly. Hello, my name is... Today is Sunday. I wake up late. I relax and learn English. I enjoy my Sunday. Excellent! You are doing great. Motivational and fun ending. Remember, Sunday is not only a rest day.
Sunday is a reset day.
If you waste Sunday, Monday feels heavy.
If you use Sunday well, the whole week becomes easy.
Learn a little English every Sunday.
And see big improvement every month.
Thank you for spending your Sunday with us.
Like, share, and subscribe to Hashmi English Tutor.
Comment below. How do you spend your Sunday?
Happy Sunday! See you in the next lesson.